Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an incredible product that will make keeping your home clean a breeze. Introducing the Smart Robot Vacuum with scheduling, a water tank, and self-charging capabilities. Robotic vacuums are a modern innovation that facilitates the cleaning process at home. The product we are talking about today is a robotic vacuum available on Amazon with distinctive specifications. Design and technical specifications. Dimensions and weight. The vacuum is small and lightweight, making it easy to move around the house and reach tight spaces. 1. Battery and charging. It has a rechargeable battery that enables it to work for a long time without the need for frequent recharging. It also comes with a self-charging base to facilitate the automatic charging process. 2. Water tank. The vacuum comes with a water tank, which means it can do mopping alongside regular cleaning. 3. Filtering. It has an advanced filtration system that ensures the air is clean and fine particles and dust are removed. Features. 1. Smart scheduling. You can schedule the vacuum to clean at specific times without having to operate it manually. 2. Smart mobility. The vacuum cleaner relies on modern sensor technologies to avoid obstacles and identify areas that need cleaning. 3. Remote control. The vacuum can be controlled via a smartphone application, allowing you to turn it on and off and monitor its condition with ease. 4. Compatibility with voice assistants. The vacuum supports compatibility with voice assistants such as Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing it to be controlled via voice commands. The performance. 1. Deep cleaning. Thanks to its multiple brushes and high suction power, the vacuum cleaner can clean all types of floors with high efficiency. 2. Dirt detection. It uses special sensing technologies to detect dirt and focus on the dirtiest areas. 3. Adapt to surfaces. The vacuum can adapt to various types of surfaces, whether hard floors or carpets. Use and maintenance. 1. Ease of use. The vacuum comes with a clear and detailed user manual, making it easy for anyone to use. 2. Maintenance. The vacuum cleaner requires simple periodic maintenance such as cleaning the filters and emptying the water tank to ensure optimal long-term performance. 3. The price. The price is reasonable compared to the advanced features that the vacuum offers. 4. Availability. The vacuum is available on Amazon, which makes purchasing and delivery easy. This robot vacuum is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a smart and effective cleaning device that saves time and effort. With its advanced features and elegant design, it will help you keep your home clean effortlessly.